Hi, Joe from Luvele. In today's video, we're going to give you a quick demonstration of how to set the time and temperature on both the Pure and the Pure Plus yogurt maker. Today we have our North American 110 volt model, which is in Fahrenheit, and we also have our Australian and European model, which is 220 volts and in Celsius. So we'll take a look at how to set both of them. The first tip I wanted to share with you is that if you need to reset your yogurt maker at any time, you can simply either double tap or single tap the confirm cancel button. Depending on your location, you will either need to single tap or double tap. And also depending on your location, it will show OF or OFF. Be sure to read your instruction manual in full to check which settings apply to your region. Another new feature I want to explain is our memory function. If you have your yogurt maker set and incubating and your home loses power, our Luvele yogurt makers will remember the time and the temperature setting when the power was lost, and when power is restored, it will automatically reset to that setting and continue the incubation. We have added this feature so there is little to no interruption during the incubation process. With those tips in mind, let's give you a quick demonstration of how to set the time and temperature. We'll start with our Pure Plus model, which is in Celsius. To begin, we're going to hit the time and temperature button once. This will show the time. We then can press the plus and minus button to increase or decrease the incubation time. Once we are happy with our time setting, we then press the time temperature button again, and this will allow us to select the temperature. Again, using the plus and minus buttons. Once you have selected both the time and temperature, you then press the confirm cancel button to begin the incubation process. Be sure that you've selected both the time and temperature before pressing the confirm cancel button. Don't set just the time and then press confirm, as this will start the incubation process. Once you have pressed the confirm cancel button, the time and temperature will flash back and forth on the digital display, indicating that the yogurt maker is on and incubating. Our Pure Plus model today has the double tap confirm cancel feature. If we want to reset this, we simply double tap the confirm cancel button and OF will show on the digital display, indicating that it's off and that you can now reset this to your desired time and temperature if you wish. Now over to the Pure model, which is our North American 110 volt model in Fahrenheit. We have it showing off on the digital display and we're ready to select the time and temperature. Once again, we're going to press the time temperature button once, and this will allow us to select the time of our choice. Pressing the plus and minus buttons, we're going to set it to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. To set the time, press the time temperature button once more, and using the plus minus buttons, select the time of your choice. Once you have this set, we're now ready to press the confirm cancel button to begin the incubation process. One more reminder, be sure to set the time and temperature first before pressing the confirm cancel button, as pressing this button begins the incubation process. Our Pure model today has the single tap reset. To reset, simply press the confirm cancel button once. OFF will show on the screen. Next up, I'll give you a quick demo of how the memory feature works. We'll do this on the Pure Plus model. As you can see, we have the time and temperature set, and they're flashing back and forth on the digital display, indicating that it's on and incubating. We're simply going to remove the power cord from the back of the yogurt maker so it loses power altogether. We do that for a few seconds, and then we plug the power cord back in, and as you can see, the digital display comes back on and is still set to the same time and temperature as when the power was lost. And the incubation process will continue. I hope this quick demo of how to set the time and temperature and operate your yogurt makers has been helpful. Of course, we're here to help anytime, so please email us at support@luvele.com if you have any further questions on how to use your Luvele yogurt makers. We're here to help and would love to hear from you. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next video.